Ever wondered how innovators like Elon Musk come up with groundbreaking ideas? They use a method called first principles thinking. This technique involves breaking down complex problems into their basic elements or truths. Once we've identified these truths, we can then reconstruct our understanding, building solutions from the ground up. The key here is to avoid assumptions that might cloud our thinking. First principles. Thinking, therefore, provides a fresh approach to problem solving, focusing on fundamental truths rather than relying on existing assumptions. Now that we understand what first principles thinking is, let's see how it applies in real life. Imagine a high school student struggling with learning efficiency. By breaking down the learning process into basic elements like attention, memory, understanding, they can develop a personalized strategy combining concentration training with memory techniques. Consider a homemaker wanting to manage their household more efficiently. They could dissect basic elements of household activities and rethink their daily workflow. Maybe they decide to batch cook or integrate cleaning tasks. Let's take a salesperson in the electronics industry aiming to improve performance. They could set aside past experiences and instead analyze customer needs and market trends from the ground up. Or a physics teacher aiming to engage students more effectively. They could start from students' everyday experiences, connecting physics principles with their practical applications. These examples show that first principles thinking can be applied in any field, not just science and technology. It enables us to solve problems from a new perspective. In conclusion, first principles. Thinking is a powerful tool for problem solving and innovation. It encourages us to dismantle problems to their most basic truths, rebuild solutions from these truths, challenge traditional assumptions, and focus on unchanging natural laws. This approach spurs innovative thinking and can be applied in all aspects of our lives, from personal challenges to professional tasks. So next time you face a complex issue, remember, the power to innovate lies in your ability to break down complex problems into basic truths. That's the essence of first principles thinking.